2013 Ford F-150 King Ranch, customer state. Was driving, went to second gear, then shut off. Now it won't start. So crank, no start. And this model, when you have a crank, no start, and it seems like a fuel pump is not working or going bad, always start by checking the fuse box. Fuse 27. It happens to be that sometimes the fuse itself, when you test it from outside the terminals, looks good, but the one of the sides of the terminal on the side starts to melt down, so it's not making good contact. But if you test the pins outside, it will show that, oh, it's good. So it's not that the fuse has blown from the inside, it's just melted from the side. Just like this one. It's gonna focus. I put a new fuse in. Now we'll test if it's the fuse is only the problem or there's something else. Sticky. It's in my pocket. That's it. The reason I went straight to the fuse, because this is the third time I get a truck for the F-150, and same thing, the fuse is blown from the side. It's not blown, but the side of it has melted, so it's not making good contact. If you look at it like from the center, you will not see it blown. If you test the pins like I said from up top, it's gonna show it's has power or has connectivity. But once you pull it, you're gonna see the sides is melted. So that's it. Thank you for watching.